Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. Tonight, I'm gonna tackle about the job descriptions of a merchandisers and promodizers. If you are a merchandiser to a food in non-food products, then the first thing what you do is to have a product knowledge. And you should be aware and know the expiration date of your products and also use first in, first out. But if your product is non-food, you don't need to implement expiration date but use first in, first out. That is the right system to know your old stocks and new stocks. Of course, basically, the merchandiser should merchandise the products, refill, monitoring the products, displaying your products to the selling area. And of course, proper hygiene place. You should understand proper hygiene. Dapat limpyo inyuhang lawas, dili mo baho og lawas. Also understand the PO and BO. And of course, the merchandiser should have communication skills in order for you to convince and to endorse your products to the customers. Always remember, you should know how to convince your customers to buy your products, to gain and to have sales in offtake profits, that is money. I hope you have learned something from me to this basic job description of merchandisers. Thank you everyone. God bless us all.